At the top of the responsive editor is the top bar. Here you can quickly jump to other pages on your site, or change the view from desktop to tablet or mobile. It's important to remember that these are not separate websites, but instead are how your site will look on other devices. On the right side of the top bar, you can undo your changes, open a preview of your site, publish and make your changes live, open the Help Center, or head back to your dashboard. This button opens the Advanced Developer mode to edit HTML and CSS. On the left sidebar, you can customize your site's global design settings, add, remove, or reorder pages, drag and drop new widgets into your site, import and manage content, set up personalization rules, add an e-commerce store, start a blog, or adjust general site settings. In the middle, you have the content editor. It looks like your website, but you can edit just about everything here. You can drag and drop to move widgets around, or click on a widget to see its editing options. We'll cover editing widgets more in depth in the next video.